In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods Pro to iPhone 12 mini. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up and connect your AirPods Pro to an iPhone 12 mini. It's simple to do this because usually an automatic connection is going to be established. So make sure that the AirPods are inside of the charging case, and all that you have to do is open the lid on the charging case. With the AirPods Pro still inside of the case with the lid open, just place it in close proximity of your iPhone 12 mini. Once you do this, they should automatically be detected, so the AirPods are going to appear on the screen of your iPhone 12 mini, and all that you have to do is choose the option to connect and follow the on-screen instructions. This will allow you to set up the AirPods Pro, see the battery levels, and use them completely wirelessly. Like I said, this is going to be the most convenient way to do it. However, if you notice that this automatic prompt does not appear, then you can still do it manually. So go over to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone 12 mini and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Now, make sure that you press and hold a physical button or some sort of indicator on the actual AirPods Pro case itself. By pressing and holding a specific button, you will be able to make sure that it can connect to any devices nearby, including the iPhone. So once you press and hold a specific button on the case with the lid open, they are going to appear under the list. And all that you have to do is choose the AirPods Pro under the list of available devices. Choose the option to connect, and once again, you will now be able to enjoy music, podcasts, call wirelessly, and so on. They are going to work completely wirelessly as long as they are sufficiently charged. And once they are out of battery, you just have to put them into charging case. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods Pro to iPhone 12 mini. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.